Hello guys, today we have a very surprising unboxing video because we have the JBL Charge 6. I've been waiting for this over 2 months now, and this speaker is literally brand new, not even the peel tabs are opened yet. This is the box. That thing costed 150 euros. So let's just skip everything we can and just get in the unboxing experience. Also, this will be my first impressions on the speaker. How will it sound on maximum volume? So let's just go ahead and open it. So these are pull tabs, so we don't need that thing, that knife. Let me put it back. Okay, let's peel these tabs. I'm so excited. It's so exciting, satisfying. My God. Pull. It's so satisfying. And now we have to do this. Play it charge endlessly. Oh my God. Up to 28 hours. IP68. Power bank. Bluetooth 5.4. 28 hours of playtime. Charge 6. Come on, guys. It's a little bit hard. Okay. Wow. This is people playing Charge endlessly. JBL by Harman Charge 6. Some manuals. Oh, for the strap. Oh my God. Oh my God, this is the big time. So this is Charge 6 here and has like how you put the strap. Oh, there is a strap. I'm gonna unbox that a little bit later. And now, please wait. I just took it out. First of all, it's heavy as hell. It has some things here for like humidity. These are heavy, man. And this is the thing. This is the. Oh my God, bro, it's so beautiful. Let's take it out of this package. Oh my God, I have my hands on the brand new JBL Charge 6. Bro, these are haptic buttons that don't even have vibration. Just look at it. Just look at it. My first charge speaker. Wow. So let's just go ahead on the top. Here you have the straps for the things there. These are also steel, not plastic. Auracast button, power on off, Bluetooth button, minus volume button, play pause volume button, plus volume button, JBL logo, battery percentage here on the bottom. Oh my God, this is so good, big quality. Oh my God, bro. Now let's do the unboxing on the other thing of the package. Oh my God, I'm so excited. Bro, I keep dropping this thing. The quick start guide that no one reads. Some other things here. Oh, it's gonna fall. Oh my God, bro, it's so amazing, the speaker. Oh. What is? Oh, it's in a plastic bag. What the hell? Let's check this out. This is where the strap is. Oh my God, brother. This is where the strap is supposed to be. So let's just. It's like a literal. It's not taking. Oh, guys, this is the strap. I don't know how to put it in though. Oh, it's pretty easy. You just slide this underneath, I think. Anyway, we aren't gonna put the strap down. Let me just look at it, bro. It's my first big charge speaker. And now it's also time for the freaking sound test. Let's turn it on. It has very intense vibration. And I'm also gonna connect it right now. First sound test. Full blast.
Open your heart.
very powerful, guys. And that was the unboxing, literally. Tell me if you liked it or not. Oh my god, look at how clean the passive radiator looks. And that was the unboxing, guys. I'll see you in the next video. I don't know when it's gonna be on or the next live. Thank you for the support, helping me buy the speaker. And that's all I have to say today. Bye bye.